Bowman Chrome U. Delight. Afternoon delight. Sky rockets in flight. Lucinda, third sister. All the sisters are present and accounted for. Card Queen, Brittany, and Lucinda. Fantastic. All the beautiful women of Blez are here, accounted for and present. Yeah, you absolutely killed it, Lucinda. Yep, that's what I'm going to start calling them. Did anybody ever watch that show on Netflix called Glow? Gorgeous Ladies of Wrestling? If you haven't, watch it. It's actually a really great show. It's really, really good. But that's what it's going to be, just not wrestling. It's the Gorgeous Ladies of Blez. Starring Lily, Brittany, and Lucinda. Show was so good, Savage. It just sucks that it was 3 seasons. And then they didn't do any more. That show was so good. Yeah. Let's you know what would make this day really good? A super refractor. Never. Why would I do that, Lucinda? Yes, it's on Netflix. Glow. Gorgeous Ladies of Wrestling. Glow. It's a really, really funny show. It's really good. Is it on Netflix? I think it is on Netflix. All right, David. Well, I'll go for. I hope you all hit. I hope you all hit a super. But I will tell you, I've only hit one, and I've done so much Bowman. I need to hit another. I need to hit another. We need to hit another. Okay. Refractor time. No. He's gonna change his mind. You guys are right. He'll change his mind. He's gonna play. And our first orange surge. Javante Barnes, Oklahoma. Troy, 25. All right. There's that $5 team Syracuse. Purple. Milton. James Williams for Miami. Donovan Edwards. I like the way he signs it. I like the little heart at the end there. It's cute. Badger for Arizona State and JJ. Kind of like that auto, huh? Ooh, Frank Gore refractor. That's a good one. Ha 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 ha! Dwayne Key. Love this card. I'm high on this kid. I haven't even seen him play that much, but I with the little I have seen, there's something about him. To 25, Orange Surge Bowman first of Audric. I think this kid's going to be really good in the NFL if he can stay healthy. All right, Purple of Keeley for Bama and Dwayne. Yellow, Grant Wells, Virginia Tech. All other colleges. Let's go to Austin. Jackson Arnold Blue. Already Troy's having a break with Oklahoma. Maffa, Clemson. Henderson for Bama. And Dante Moore. Me too, LJ. He reminds me of Jerome Bettis too. Orange Surge. Auburn. Look at this. All the teams that were in that filler. Auburn, Robbie Ashford for Austin. Orange Surge first. Carson Beck. Connor Colby. Here are the autos. Mondin. Nice for Ole Miss and Austin. Another filler team. Jackson Dart. 99 auto. Yeah, the filler is killing it. Last card of that box wasn't a Caleb Williams early riser. Second half of the case. Okay. Hunter Deckers. Mario. Shador Refractor. Where's Roberto? He's not here. Roberto. Did they really? Get out of here. Burrow's cards are tanking? I'm going to get my ass on eBay then and start buying. We said this last time when he blew out his knee. We told everybody, me and Chad, told everybody on this stream, buy up Burrow's cards. The people that listened did amazing. People that listened made a fortune. They did. Okay. This is the super. But what though? What rookie? What product? Are we talking, Dave? Base mosaic? I might buy those. Roydell Williams for Alabama and Dwayne Key. This was the okay. This was the super we hit. I pulled his super auto to 25. Michael Pratt, B55 numbered to 150. To 99, Evan Stewart. Jackson Arnold Kahuna for Oklahoma. Troy's doing great with Oklahoma. Oh, no. This was a hot box. Delora Auto Bo Nix for Heel Seku. $99. Oh, God, I have to adjust my... I'm sorry, guys. I have to adjust my settings on my ring. My ring is so loud when it goes off, and it's so annoying. Because the sensors are too high, you know? So it's like any car that drives by, it just goes off. Good break. And And we had another Caleb. Whoops. What did I do with that last Caleb? Yep. Case those. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on. Singleton. Here's the funny part, right? You guys know that we've opened, what, 45 cases? 44 cases of Bowman Chrome Hobby? And I've probably done 30 of them. 30 something. The only super I hit was out of this. Was out of Delight. Interesting. Starks, Surge. Corey Kiner, Blue. Gadsden. Grant Wells, Purple Speckle. Winter Soldier, Bucky Irving. Overton. And Marvin. Really good break. Hopefully the last box is crazy good. Guys, remember, we have 45 minutes left of showtime. 45 minutes left of streaming, of breaking. And then we're going off for the night. Daddy Dak has to get to therapy. Always makes me chuckle when I say that. Jared Verse for Florida State. It's a nice surge. Ward. Maffa. Bo Nix to 99 early risers. Bo Nix is cooking. Yeah, 4 o'clock Pacific on Mondays. That's why I start at 8 a.m. and not 9. Guys, I wish I had a choice. It's the only appointment that I can get is Monday at 4:30. That's the only one that fits. Oh, good. Tony, you got what you wanted then. Tony, you got what you wanted. You got your verse. And we got a really good auto. Really good Blake Corum for Michigan. And McNasty. Verse is really good. I like him. Blake Corum has been on fire for Michigan lately. And it's like, this is the second case in a row. It's a Bo Nix case. 2 Bo Nix autos. Oregon is just stomping. Heel Seku, nice job, buddy. And the last card of the break, Drake May. The young buck for North Carolina. I love this break. A lot of people like Hobby like a lot more than I don't see it. I like Hobby more, I guess, but for breaking, I'd rather do this in a second. And I'm not talking about like it's easier work-wise. I think it's just better for everything because it's so fast. It's such a quick break, and you hit so big, and every break is just like a hobby break. You're gonna hit big cards. You're gonna get multiple oranges every single break. You're going to hit those insert autos that are so hard to hit of quarterbacks. Shut up. Goddamn ring. That's another kid I like, guys. Frank Gore Jr. for Southern Miss and Antonio Gates Jr. for Michigan State. Those are good chases because their teams are super cheap. They're good chases. That's a nice auto. Verse looks like a stud. He could be a top pick when he comes out. 99, Bo Nix. Bucky. Oregon killed it. Overton, Pratt, Big Kahuna of Jackson Arnold. He's the next young kid quarterback for Oklahoma. Bo Nix. Refractor auto. Bo Nix insert auto. Early risers. Those are the 99, unless it's colored. That's actually a big card. Shador refractor. Beck to 299. Dart to 99. Yellow 75 Wells. Jackson Arnold to 199. Ashford 25. Roydell 25. Barnes 25. Audrick to 25. Product's great. I loved it. I loved the light.